Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. They will be giving you guys one or two updates you would need. So, the link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Click on the link and follow us. Now, let's take a look at what we will be expecting on GBP USD, by the way, for the next day. So if you take a look at this, clearly this was clearly on a bullish move. That is on the daily time frame. So to quickly this our analysis, I'll shorten it. You clearly can see that from year to year we were on an uptrend move. You clearly can see it. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. What market has been doing to the upside. Right now, what can you see? You clearly can see what are we? We are on a downtrend. Lower lows and lower highs is what market is currently playing. So with what I'm seeing on GBP USD, I see this to be the first lower lows. Then here comes the lower highs, the lower lows. This we are currently on a lower highs. I will be needing a confirmation for a full downtrend, on GBP USD, where markets eventually drop and give us a new lower lows, which I think would happen this Wednesday or Thursday. Because personally, that is all my personal belief. I believe market should drop again to give us a new lower low. So if that will happen, then definitely GBP USD will continue to sell till it eventually take out these lows. Till it eventually takes out these lows. So that means our long-term forecast on GBP USD will be to the downside. That will be about close to 300 pips movement. I mean, for swing traders, this is going to be a lot of movement to make, right? So buyers on GBP USD is still to the downside. So we should just be expecting a breakout from this level. Once it can break out, then expect more sell. Follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. We'll be giving you guys an update. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.